I would like to bring your attention to a very interesting doctor out of Toledo who did data analysis on death rates of COVID, comparing places that have malaria, such as sub-Saharan Africa, China, India, and I would include Vietnam and Thailand in that. It's remarkable how low their death rates. It's hundreds of times lower, actually. When you make adjustments for age, you can say it's 35 times lower and perhaps much higher than that.
You are literally about 35 times more likely to die of coronavirus in the United States of America than these poor countries in sub-Saharan Africa.
The reason might be an anti-malarial compound extracted from a plant called Artemisia, the goddess, a plant so important that its rediscovery warranted a Nobel Prize for its discovery team in 2015. It is currently in phase 2 human trials. It's not like a vaccine in that it gives your body a disabled virus that then your immune system recognizes. Rather, it stops the virus from replicating at the cell itself. The coronavirus, when it enters the cell, uses a specific enzymatic pathway known as the PAK-1 enzymatic pathway. The extract of Artemisia blocks that pathway. This is a plant that has been used for decades by millions of people. It is exceptionally safe. Side effects are almost non-existent. It has applications beyond malaria. It's a known antiviral, anti-tumor, and as an additional benefit, it modulates the immune response, stopping the body from going into that cytokine storm that can be fatal for people. So we have a therapeutic agent that limits the viral expression of COVID-19 and suppresses the immune response that causes the out-of-control damage to the lungs. That might seem paradoxical that it's a suppressed immune response that we're seeking, but it is very, very specific to the lungs. So this compound has applications for asthma, diabetes, inflammatory conditions, rheumatoid arthritis specifically. It's been studied for that. Primarily, at the moment that we find ourselves, we have a compound extracted from the plant, Artemisia, that limits viral expression in vitro, that means in a petri dish, in glass, by 60 to 80%. Monkey kidney cells were infected with COVID-19, and then using fluoroscopy, like a way of lighting up the genetic tags, we can see that the viral expression of COVID-19 is diminished by 60 to 80%. Nature is indeed quite the chemist. What we have is a plant-based Artemisian combination therapy, or PACT. It's available now, and may it be of benefit and serve humankind at this time of need.